going on, everybody? It's your man Cleveland Terry, and today's not a tech video. Today is actually a life video. We're going to talk about this last couple of weeks, and I'm sure you guys have noticed, but my video posts have been going down a little bit. Well, that's because of one reason only, and I've been really busy. This weekend alone, as you can see by the studio full of equipment, I had from Friday to Sunday 14 events. Now, of course, I didn't do every event, but I had crews, I had equipment, I had things that people needed to take, I had to be around, we had fires we were burning out. Life, normal, busy life. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because, well, look, I'm just like anybody else. I would love to just sit around and make videos all day, post up, have fun with you guys, but the fact of the matter is the reason that I'm able to even do these kinds of things is because, well, I have a successful company, and that successful company requires me to always be involved with it. So I guess what I'm saying is this is not really a DJ specific post, it's an everything post. It's a matter of prioritizing your life. Trash guy. It's a matter of prioritizing your life. And Jesus. But it's a matter of prioritizing your life. It's a matter of getting everything that is important to you in the forefront and pushing back the things that just take away time. You know, the parties that we do are not just about Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The parties start from the beginning. They start on Monday when we are talking to clients, when we are preparing for their event, when we are getting all the products that they need done. Monday through Friday, Friday morning, Friday afternoon, that's all just us preparing for the weekend. That also means I get a lot of phone calls from people that have events. I get a lot of phone calls from people that don't have events and are looking to book us. This takes up a lot of time. Trust me when I tell you, when I'm on the phone with the client, that call can go from anywhere between 5 minutes to 25 minutes per call. So factor that throughout the day. Factor in meetings that are not in the office, meetings that I have to drive to clients, and that will show you that I'm spending a lot of time away from the camera. And trust me when I tell you, I would love to do it, but that's just not realistic sometimes. So I had to put everything behind. I had to stop everything, and I had to focus on these parties, because these parties are what is going to keep me doing what I love to do. Without this stuff, without the parties, I don't make any money. I can't do any of this stuff. So I wanted to put that out there because I think that sometimes people, they forget that it's not just about the glamour of being a DJ or the glamour of being an MC or the glamour of being a dancer. It's the work that you put in throughout the week, throughout the year. That's what makes you that professional on Saturday, on Sunday. So it's really important that you focus on that time and that you don't spend that time wasting on things that you don't need to be doing. The Instagram that you were on for 45 minutes today, has that helped you in any way? You know, that Facebook that you've been scrolling through all day, has that helped you in any way? At least if you're gonna be online doing research, trying to figure out ways to improve your craft, your skills, your techniques. That's what you should be spending time on. So if you are on Instagram and you're a DJ, say for instance, well, your Instagram feed should be 70% DJ related stuff, 30% other stuff, maybe 20% family, 10% BS. But the majority of your stuff should be DJ related stuff. You need to get away from like all the trappings, the chicks, you know, the bikinis, the bathing suits, World Star. Get rid of all of that stuff. That stuff's not gonna make you a better DJ. It's not gonna make you a better person. So spend more time focusing on you, focusing on your family, focusing on your business, focusing on your craft, and maybe you'll start to see results. Because a lot of people want to complain that they're stuck in the same situation, they're stuck in the same place, and they don't know how to get out of it. Well, you're stuck in the same place because you're continuing to do the same things. If you want to improve, you need to do different things. You're gonna get to a plateau in anything in your life, anything in your career, and the only way to improve it is to find out different avenues, learn different techniques, and that will then teach you how to think a little differently. And maybe it'll make you a better person. It'll make you a better professional. It'll make you a better DJ. So I've made it a point to cut down on my social media. Actually, I spent this weekend just cutting the fat, getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff, whole bunch of followers that, not followers, but people I follow, that weren't helping me, that weren't giving me anything back for me viewing their stuff. I'm not telling you to delete Facebook or delete Instagram, delete Twitter. It's not about that. It's about being disciplined, and it's about being mature about what you want. And if you want to be that Instagram dude, that Twitter dude, that Facebook dude that's always on all day and all night, you want to be that guy and that's what makes you happy, then hey, by all means stick with it. But just don't come to me wondering why nothing's going right in your life, or nothing that you want to happen is actually happening, because I'm going to turn it right back around on you. All right, guys, once again, thank you guys for subscribing. I know there are plenty of videos out there. I know this one is a little different, but you choose to look at mine, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Remember, hashtag DJLIFECOACH episode 1, and I hope to do more of these, but this week, hopefully by Friday, I got some videos that I know you guys have been asking for, I know you guys want. So they're coming out, but I had to unload. I got to take equipment back to all the places we rent from, and I just got to do life. Got to do life today. All right, guys. Always a pleasure. If I don't talk to you later, we'll talk soon. Peace.